Catch 'em all.
Alright, so a little bit different setup today. So you can see the camera can see us fully. So that is because we're taking a look at a privacy cover, and it basically just fits over top of your web camera. So if I slide this over, you can see no view whatsoever. A lot of people have tape or sticky notes on their actual laptops and everything because of privacy concerns. So this is a great alternative. It's super thin. It's actually about the same thickness of the back of some phones and tablets. They have that little camera bump. It's basically the same thickness as that. And you get with this a little wipe. So you have a wet and a dry. So you just clean off and then peel the little sticker off, which is this little piece right here. And then it's just a matter of getting it lined up. You might want to use tweezers. And it comes with this little carrying case. Same thing you would put a micro SD card or SD card into. So that's what it looks like. And then you get 6 of them in this particular instance. And it's been on there for a while now, no problem. I use Windows Hello, so I have the camera sensor over here, this camera here, which is the main camera, and then we have the little LED indicator, as you can hopefully see. It's still illuminated right here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this. It's super thin. Let me see if I can grab this and show it to you. In terms of thickness, I don't think you really notice it very much. And then when I close it down, it doesn't make any contact, so no issues. But that's pretty much it. Just slide it over and no more issues there. Cool thing about it also is you don't have that unsightly look of like a post-it note or something like that. So, well, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share that with you really quickly, and there'll be a link below if you want to find out more. Thanks for watching.